Most price spikes aren't greed overnight. They're a chain reaction. One domino tips, and your receipt catches it. First domino, the supply chain. Think of it like a conveyor belt. If it slows, fewer items are boards. A delay at sea, a port jam, a missing truck, doesn't matter where.
Then humans do human things. We see less on shelves, we grab more. That makes the shortage feel worse, faster. Factories can't produce without parts. One missing piece can cause everything. When output drops, prices don't wait politely. Prices act like a balloon under pressure. Once they inflate, they don't always snap back instantly, even if things improve. Second domino, oil and fuel. Fuel isn't just for cars.
When fuel costs more, moving stuff costs more. That cost travels quietly from the truck. Watch the dominoes. Oil to shipping to shelves, shelves to receipts. Businesses try to absorb costs at first, but if higher costs stick around, they pass some of it on. It feels like the store did it, but the store is the last domino. The push usually starts way earlier than checkout. Third domino, currency. If your currency weakens, anything imported becomes more expensive. Imports include parts, packaging, fuel, machines. If the currency is a hidden lever, it pulls on input costs. Input costs pull on production. Production pulls on prices. And here's the sneaky part, delays. Bad news hits fast. Shipping and production take time. Prices often rise like an elevator and fall like a staircase. Not always fair, but Another domino, expectations. If everyone expects prices to rise, rates can matter too. Higher borrowing costs make it pricier to run businesses.
Most spikes are a combo punch.
Ever wonder why one item explodes in price? It usually has a fragile supply chain. More inputs, then everyone swaps to the next best thing, which increases demand there and pushes that price up too. Prices are made of pieces. When one big piece, like fuel or imports, grows, it's tempting to blame one person. But economics is usually systems. If you want answers, follow the... When supply improves, that's great. But prices don't always drop instantly. Stores sell what they already paid for first. If they bought inventory at higher costs, the shelf price often... Think rubber band. Shocks pull prices up fast. Coming back down can be slower. And sometimes the price doesn't change, the product does. Smaller size, same cost.
Businesses pick between two pains: raise the tag or change the package. Either way,
real life is less cartoon villain, more domino chain. If you can spot which domino moved, you can predict where prices go next. Quick cheat code. Watch 3 things: shipping flow, fuel costs, and currency strength. Bad news spreads instantly. Markets react instantly. But real-world supply changes slowly. Good news is slower, but it arrives. When supply catches up and costs cool down, prices can simmer. The goal isn't perfection, it's stability. Stronger supply chains, stable currency. Next time you see a price jump, don't just rage scroll. Ask, did supply slow? Did fuel... Recap in 8 seconds. Supply chain hiccup. This is education, not advice. But understanding the chain gives you power. Fewer surprises, smart thing you saw get expensive. And I'll explain the domino chain behind it in the next video.